Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to enable or disable editing on your Google Sheets documents on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet application, and whenever you open it, you just need to decide what or which documents that you want to share into your friends and you allow to do editings too. So after you choosing it, you just need to go click these three small dots on the documents that you choose. And after that, you just need to go into this manage access and just click it. And now you just need to go into the general access. We need to change from restricted here into anyone with a link. Whenever it's already changed from restricted to anyone with a link, we need to take a look of the access that we give. There will be a view option. We need to click this part, and there will be pop up in this down side here the option that you can use. You can allow people to view only over your documents. You can also allow people to comment only on your documents, and you can also give an access other people to edit your documents by clicking this editor. And after you finish, you just need to copy the link by click this button and spread the link into your friends through the messenger or anything related to. And that's to enable the editing. And how to disable the editing, you just need to go back into the anyone with the link and just change from anyone with the link to restricted. And after that, no one's gonna able to edit your documents. And that's the way how to enable and disable editing on your Google Sheets document. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.